And now that snow is done falling, thankfully, we never thought it would yesterday, we're left to deal with the lingering impact. Hazardous road conditions, closures, and an impact to everyday life, really.
WFMY News 2's Giselle Thomas joins us live with how these impacts are showing up in local food pantries. Giselle, kind of walk us through where you are.
Hey you guys, yes, I'm here in Greensboro Urban Ministry in their Potter's house, and we know that they've been providing meals for those who need it. They also have a shelter here, but also they're bringing food over to the white flag warning shelters that are in the city of Greensboro. I'm actually here with Ms. Tyra Clymer. She is the Director of Spiritual Care here at Greensboro Urban Ministry. I wanted to ask, I know plans changed a little bit from having the actual hot food being cooked. Now we're doing food bags. Tell me a little bit about just what you guys have been experiencing as this inclement weather has really came through.
Well, as the weather has come through, we have worked with our community partners to make sure that anyone who is homeless, low-income families, individuals who need an extra hand with a meal, a warm place to stay. We've made sure that we have reached out to our partners not only to help those who come to us, but to help those who are in our warming center as well.
I know being able to have this, it's such a right time. It's literally like a blanket of snow outside. We know this is not the temperatures that anyone should be outside. Wanted to ask a little bit too about how that adds into what you do. I know you said you're in charge of that spiritual care. So how important it is to also help with the mental health at a time like this. We know the cold weather can also bring some feelings that could not be as positive, but also that encouragement to get them through this phase in their lives.
Yes, we have a very active staff, a staff that is not only here to provide shelter and food assistance, but our staff steps in. And when someone just needs someone to listen to them, or someone needs just a little lift to keep them going during this weather can present so many different emotions, as you said, for people. But we are here, like you said, to present a little sunshine, to keep them going through this weather, to support them in any way that we can.
Wow. And just so you guys know, the idea of the reach for this, there's about 170 food bags that's going to be going out to that white flag shelters, but that's also in addition to the hundreds of food that's going to be served right here for the people who show up at these doors. Now around 7, we're expected to see GPD come and pick up those bags and then deliver it to the white flag warming shelters. We'll be here just for that and keep you updated. Live in Greensboro, Giselle Thomas, WFMY News 2.